Over the last decade, the work of the Water and Sewage Company Inc. WASCO has been fraught with many challenges, including infrastructural issues that have significantly affected the island's water supply. In recent months, however, the company has received an injection of capital through loan and grant funding to address some of these issues in a bid to improve the consistency of water supply to various parts of the island.
The Northern Pipeline project will transform how we deliver water to one of St. Lucia's most vital corridors. We are here to inaugurate the replacement of approximately 1.1 kilometers of aging infrastructure from Bonneterre Gap through to Gros Islet, with a new 20-inch ductile iron pipeline. This upgrade replaces the original 14-inch cast iron pipeline that has served this northern corridor since the 1990s. What replaces it will improve pressure, reduce leakage, and carry reliable service to residents, businesses, and the tourism communities for the North for decades to come.
With loan funding by Bank of St. Lucia and supported by the government, FDL Consults and contractor CIE Limited have assured that this project will be carried out efficiently with minimum disruptions to traffic flows.
I would like to assure you that we are ready and we are organized for this job. And as we have executed previous projects within the timeline and with the quality of that is expected from the specifications, we will also follow this in this project as well and complete this project within the timeline with the quality that is required. We would like to keep the disruptions to the minimum. Of course, when the projects are going on, there will be some disruptions and we will try to minimize them. We will advise you already in advance of what the planning is and how the works are going to be executed, and we'll try to do it in the shortest possible time. We will not be working during the peak hours just to facilitate the traffic and the commuters. So we have taken due consideration of that. All the residents who are traversing on that road for doing their daily activities and also the hotels, I would seek your cooperation for the successful completion of that project.
Prime Minister Honorable Philip J. Pierre emphasized that while the government is investing significantly in WASCO and providing substantial funding for these projects, it remains our collective responsibility to embrace rainwater harvesting as a vital part of building resilience.
I'm sure the pipeline from Bonneterre to Gros Islet will be successful. We still must understand that there is going to be a water shortage in the world. It is said that probably the next war may be over water. We have to find ways and means of using the water that comes to us from the sky. There are countries in the world, Bermuda, where more than 90% of the water from Bermuda comes from rainwater harvesting. St. Lucia also has a resource of groundwater. So whilst we develop WASCO, and the government, and our record will show that this government has made substantial investments in WASCO and will continue to make it. But while we're doing that, we are going to be promoting rainwater harvesting because we are sure that will assist in causing water not to be the short supply that it is now.
The Northern Pipeline project is part of a broader initiative to strengthen water resilience in the north. It will advance in tandem with critical upgrades to the Thibbles water treatment plant, improvements to the raw water pipeline, and the rollout of non-revenue water programs, forming a comprehensive foundation for long-term sustainability.